Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. In this tutorial I have created this summer appropriate very colorful makeup tutorial featuring pink smoky eyes. If you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel then please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And for your convenience, I have listed all the products in the description box so that you can go and check out. I've already moisturized my face. Now it's time for some primer. For primer, I have taken my new primer which I bought from the recent Nykaa sale. This is the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer, and I have been loving this a lot. Next we move on to the color correction. For that I have taken a darker color concealer, and I'm going to place it in the area where I have hyperpigmentation, which is around my mouth. And I'm going to blend this with the help of a concealer brush. This is the PAC 219 concealer brush. This blends concealer pretty well. Next I'm going to take a powder. This is by Faces Canada, and I'm going to set those places so that this concealer does not mix with our foundation and stays there for a long time. Next I have taken my foundation. For foundation I have taken Maybelline Superstay. This is one of my favorite foundation, and with the help of a flat shader brush I'm going to spread it across my face. What this does is it distributes the product equally in our face. Next I'm going to blend my foundation with the help of a beauty blender. This is from PAC Cosmetics, and this is one of my favorite one. So I'm going to blend it. Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck area. Now let's do the cream contouring. For that I have taken a very dark concealer. This is probably Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Mocha, and I'm going to contour the circumferences of my face, hollows of my cheek and my nose with the help of that concealer. I'm blending it with the same brush with which we have applied our color correction. And next I'm going to do a little bit of concealing and highlighting in my face. For that I've taken the NYX concealer. This is a beige kind of a shade. This will cancel all the darkness because this has a beige tint to it, and I'm blending it with the help of a big kabuki brush, and this is a generic kabuki brush. You can get it at Amazon. I already have a detailed review on that. Now I've taken my beauty blender and go over it again to make sure that blending is done nicely and there are no streaky marks. It's time for some powder. I've taken a Faces Canada powder, and with the help of a small powder brush I'm going to apply it all over my face. The reason why I'm using a small brush is because I want all the areas of my face to be reached. Next I'm going to do some contouring. For that I've taken Wet n Wild contour palette, and with the help of a contour brush from PAC Cosmetics I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheek. Make sure that you blend your contour really well so that there are no streaky marks like what I have done, and also please contour your forehead and your jawline if necessary. Next I'm going to apply some blush. For that I've taken the Sugar blush in the shade Peach Pink, and this is such a nice blush. I just love it. You can just smile and apply this on your apples of the cheek and also on your nose. That looks very nice. Next I'm going to do a bit of highlighting. For that I've taken my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal, and I'm going to apply it with the help of a highlighting brush. This is from Folklore. I'm going to apply it on my temples, my cheekbones and my chin area. Next, I have set my face with setting spray that is from L'Oreal. Now let's move on to the eyes makeup. For eyes, I am just doing my eyebrows with the help of an angular brush and PAC brow pomade in the shade Burnt Umber, and this is kind of a perfect shade for me. Next, I've taken a spoolie and I'm going to brush all the product through so that it distributes. Next, I will take a concealer and with the help of a flat shader brush, I'm going to clean beneath my brows. So this naturally gives a very nice shape to my eyebrows, and I'm also going to prime my eyelid with the help of that. Next, I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to blend below that. Now it's time for eyeshadows. For eyeshadow, I've taken a Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is like $200, and I'm going to pick up a very popping bright pink shade, and I'm going to apply it with the help of a small flat shader brush. This is from PAC. I bought it from a PAC brush set which recently launched, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. After I'm done applying, I'm going to take my brush with no extra product. I'm going to blend the edges. Next, I'm going to take this lighter pink shade from Cuffs and Lashes eyeshadow palette, and I've taken a very small blending brush. We are not going much above our crease, we are just staying within the crease. First, I'm going to dab the product and then I'm going to blend. Now I'm taking a brighter orange shade and I'm going to apply it with the help of a small tapered kind of a blending brush. First, I'm going to dab the product and then I'm going to blend the edges. Now it's time for some yellow eyeshadow. For that, I have taken a blending brush. This is from PAC, and I'm going to blend the edges. So this creates a very smooth transitions. We are taking our eyeshadows a little higher than what we usually do. And next, my favorite part, that I'm going to repeat all the steps that I've done earlier. I'm going to apply the pink shade again, and I'm going to go over again and again to make the blending perfect, and also I want the colors to be very visible. Now it's time for some inner corner highlighting. For that, I have taken a chunky glitter from Dania Cosmetics, which I bought from Instagram recently, and I'm placing it in my inner corners. For today's look, we haven't used any shimmers and glitter, so that's why I'm using that in my inner corner. That just makes so much of a difference. Next, I have taken a kohl pencil and I'm going to tightline my water lines. Next, I have taken a pencil from Swiss Beauty and I'm going to apply it. That's a yellow pencil. And next, I'm going to take the pink shade and I'm going to blend both of this together. Next, I'm going to take the same yellow shade and I'm going to blend below. So whatever we have done in our upper eyelid, we are just doing it in our lower eyelid also. Lower lash line also. Next, I have taken a mascara. This is from Faces, and I really don't recommend this mascara. Actually, this was clumping my lashes like anything that day. Now it's time for some lipstick. For lipstick, I have taken lipstick from Forever 52. I will link the website in the description box. So this is kind of a burnt orange brownish shade. This is my final look. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.